storm. Big one. Piece of softball size piece of hell right there. The rest of it's about pea size right now, but that's one big one. For a flag got knocked down too. We'll rescue that in the morning maybe. Ooh, that wind is cold. Golly, this is crazy. Let me turn this light off real quick. So you can see that water coming off the roof. I know it's dark, but guess I got the night vision on because it's 10 o'clock at night. Camera do that. Maybe out in the brick. Actually, really pretty chilly out here. Rapid lightning, big storm, big storm. Lightning is fast and furious right now. Rain just pouring off the roof. That wind howling. Hear it on the audio, but engine waves with howling wind. Rain has let up a little bit, but man, we got a downpour for about 15 minutes there. Sure needed rain, but not like this. Dangerous. I would pray for rain, but it comes like this is pretty scary. Atmospheric conditions under a tornado watch. Not a warning or anything like that right now, but still kind of scary. That lightning, wow. Crazy. My truck doesn't get nailed too bad with the hail. So far so good. It's can't get it under a carport, not enough room. The Mustang is still process of being fixed. It's not running quite right now. I just bought a starter for it today, of course, of all days. And there's this. Hopefully get that situated this weekend. Man, crazy. And here comes the rain again. I'm gonna head back in.